have motor noise calibration. What in the hell is this thing doing? Upon further investigation, looked like that thing's popped out of its socket. Holy crap, I did not notice that. This one here is also out of place. There we go, now it's working like it should. That was horrifying. Ugh.
State of affairs. Half the people die while the rest of us are splitting hairs. It's a good world gone bad.
It's immaculate. It actually inspects the first layer before it moves on. Go. Wowzers. Watch how much this bot shakes. Shakes madly. So I'm wondering if how much this thing is moving because of this base that it's on is going to affect the quality of the print, or perhaps how fast I'm able to ultimately print with quality. This is Stan's Revenge. The nozzle wiping seems to be failing pretty epically, as you can, right there, bam. That's second or third time it's done this to me. So yeah, epic fail on the wiper. It's fast going. Well, this thing's a silver blur. This is Stan's Revenge.